Yeah, man. See that my breadfruit done roast. See them, you see how them look? I say your breadfruit look when them done roast. Yeah, man. Next part of the video, you see that I'm a meat pot over there. See, yeah, man, you think we're around. You think I chat things? Yeah, man. Certain things set down. They are going to something they look on the end, cook people. That's how we do it, man, in Jamaica. You know what I mean? It's all about vibes. No. Roast breadfruit and enjoy yourself. Stay out of trouble. Yeah, man, that's how things set, man. You see how them look? Yeah. That one I name Beat and Teach. Oh. Beat and Teach. See that under street light with it.